Hi friends, welcome to Crackers video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparation. Today we are here to discuss the most important general science questions for CMAT and TISNET. For daily video updates, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's see the first question. The CGS unit of force is, CGS is centimeter gram second unit. The CGS unit of force is dyne and SI unit of force is Newton. The relation between dyne and Newton is 1 Newton is equals to 10 power 5 dyne. Next question. If a body is at rest or moving at a constant speed in a straight line, it will remain at rest or keep moving in a straight line at constant speed unless it is acted upon by a force. This is which law? This is Newton's first law. It is also called as law of Galileo or law of inertia. Example of inertia is when a car or train starts suddenly, the passengers bend backward. Next question. Energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called as. Energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called as kinetic energy. The formula of kinetic energy is half mv square. Example of kinetic energy is person walking or a thrown basketball. Next question. Which equipment changes mechanical energy into sound energy? Sitar changes mechanical energy into sound energy. Loudspeaker changes electrical energy into sound energy. Electrical motor changes electrical energy to mechanical energy and dynamo changes mechanical energy to electrical energy. Next question. According to Newton's law of gravitation, force is inversely proportional to. Newton's law of gravitation is the force of gravitational attraction between two point bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. That is, force is equals to product of their masses to the square of the distance between them. G is called as the gravitational constant. Therefore, it is inversely proportional to r square. Next question. What happens to the melting point of the substances which contracts on fusion with the increase in temperature? With the increase in temperature, the melting point decreases. Example, ice. When a body is immersed partly or wholly in a liquid, there is an apparent loss in the weight of the body which is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by the body. This is which principle? This is Archimedes' principle. It is used in designing ships and submarines. Ships and submarines. Next question. The ratio of volume stress to volume strain is called as. The ratio of volume stress to volume strain is called as bulk modulus. It is indicated with the symbol K. Young's modulus is ratio of longitudinal stress to longitudinal strain. It is indicated with Y. Rigidity modulus is indicated with this symbol. It is a ratio of tangential stress to shear strain. Next question. Time period of oscillation of simple pendulum is directly proportional to. The time period of oscillation of simple pendulum is T is equals to 2 pi root of L by G. Therefore, time period is directly proportional to root L. That is, answer is option B. Here L is effective length of pendulum and G is acceleration due to gravity. When a particle is executing simple harmonic motion passes through the mean position, which energy is 0? Potential energy is 0. Kinetic energy is maximum. Acceleration due to gravity is 0 and velocity is maximum.
We at Kraku provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TISS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Who discovered ultraviolet rays? Ultraviolet rays is discovered by John Wilhelm Ritter. Herschel discovered infrared rays. Marconi discovered long radio waves. And Newton discovered visible radiation. Next question. In thermal expansion, what is the relation between alpha, beta and gamma? Alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion. Beta is coefficient of superficial expansion. And gamma is coefficient of cubical expansion. The relation between alpha, beta, gamma is alpha is to beta is to gamma is equals to 1:2:3. Next question. Conversion of solid directly into vapor is called as? Conversion of solid directly into vapor is called as sublimation. Sublimation takes place when boiling point is less than melting point. Boiling point is less than melting point. Next question. In isothermal process, the temperature is, let's see what is isothermal process. If the changes are taking place in a system in such a way that temperature of the system remains constant throughout the change, then the process is called as isothermal. Therefore, it remains constant. Bending of light as it passes from one transparent substance into another is called as? It is called as refraction. What are the primary colors of light? The primary colors of light are green, blue and red. These are the primary colors. The secondary color, green, red and blue. When green and red are mixed, we get yellow. When green and blue are mixed, we get cyan. When red and blue are mixed, we get magenta. When these three colors mixed, we get white. Yellow, cyan and magenta are the secondary colors of light. Friends, CrackU is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do visit our website and download them for your further practice. A person who is able to see distant objects clearly but not the near objects is said to be suffering from distant objects clearly but not the near objects. This person is said to be suffering from hypermetropia. Myopia is a disease in a person who can see near objects clearly, far objects not clear. Presbyopia is generally found in elders. Distant as well as nearly objects cannot be seen clearly. The instrument which is used to measure the changes in volume of substances is called as? It is called as dilatometer. Colorimeter is the instrument which compares intensity of colors. Measures change in volume of substance. Endoscope is the instrument used to examine internal parts of the body. Altimeter measures altitude used in aircrafts. This meter is mostly used in aircrafts. Next question. Which element in onion makes us cry? Sulfur in onion makes us cry. The main chemical constituent of clay is? The main chemical constituent of clay is aluminium silicate. Its formula is Al2SiO5. Next question. The continuous zigzag movement of colloidal particles in dispersion medium is called as? It is called as Brownian movement. Since we are seeing Tyndall effect here, Tyndall effect means scattering of a beam of light by a medium containing small suspended particles. Like in a sunny room, we can observe small smoke dust particles. That is called Tyndall effect. Milk and butter are which types of emulsions? Milk and butter are, milk is oil in water, and butter is water in oil. Actually, what is emulsion? An emulsion is a temporary stable mixture of immiscible fluids such as oil and water achieved by finely dividing one phase into very small droplets. Carbon has how many allotropes? Carbon has 3 allotropes, that is diamond, graphite and fullerenes. Bleaching powder is a compound of calcium. It is called as calcium hypochlorite. Formula is CaClO taken twice. The atoms of the different elements having same number of neutrons is called as isotones. You can remember like isotones, N is representing number of neutrons. Next question. Which chemical model is also called as watermelon model? Thomson model is also called as watermelon model or plum pudding model. Rutherford model tells us about the nuclear theory. Bohr's model tells us about concept of quantization of energy. And Sommerfeld's model tells us about its orbital is elliptical or spherical in shape. Next question. Which block elements are known as alkali and alkaline earth metals? S block elements are known as alkali and alkaline earth metals. P block elements are known as chalcogens, picogens, halogens and inert gases. D block elements are known as transition elements and F block elements are known as inner transition elements. What is the trend of ionization potential from left to right in a period? It increases from left to right in a period. Let's see what is ionization potential. The amount of energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous atom is called as ionization potential. It increases from left to right in a period and it decreases from top to bottom in a group. Next question. Which acid is present in tomato? Oxalic acid is present in tomato. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Tartaric acid is present in grapes. And malic acid is present in apples. Next question. What is the chemical name of washing soda? Chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3. Sodium benzoate is used as a preservative in pickles. Its formula is C7H5NaO2. Sodium chloride is the common salt, NaCl. Calcium carbonate is CaCO3, limestone. Friends, CrackView is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for Rs 299. Enroll for these mocks for your better practice. Let's see the next question. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. There are two more metals which is an extract of, that is which is an alloy of copper and zinc, that is Munz metal, which is used in making coins, and Dutch metal, which is used in making artificial ornaments. Next question. Telonite is a combination of cobalt and chromium. What is the full form of DDT? The full form of DDT is dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. It was initially used with great effect to combat malaria, typhus and other insect-borne human diseases. Its formula is C14H9Cl5. Next question. Study of animal behavior in their natured habitats is called as? It is called as ethology. Etiology is study of causative agent of a disease. Entomology is study of ants, and exobiology is study of possibility of life in space. Next question. Milk is a natural emulsion. It is an emulsion of fat particles in an aqueous environment. If bilirubin is high in a human body, which organ is most affected? Liver is most affected because liver provides bile juice. Tamiflu is an effective medicine for bird flu. Scientific name of cat is Felis domestica. Felis domestica is for domestic cat, and for the wild cat it is Felis catus. Oryza sativa is the scientific name of rice. Canis familiaris is the scientific name of dog. Musca domestica is the scientific name of housefly. Division of nucleus during cell division is called as? Division of nucleus during cell division is called as karyokinesis. Division of cytoplasm is called as cytokinesis. Next question. Which is the only snake that makes nest? King cobra is the only snake that makes nest. Which is the regenerative organ in human body? The regenerative organ in human body is liver. Friends, CrackU is providing previous papers of TestNet. Please do visit our website and download these papers for your better practice. Australian antigen is related to hepatitis B. Bacterial cell walls are composed of peptidoglycan. It is a mesh of polysaccharide strands. Next question. Pyridoxine is otherwise called as? Pyridoxine is otherwise called as vitamin B6. B1 is thiamine. B2 is riboflavin. And B12 is cyanocobalamin. Next question. Which eye structure receives stimuli and sends to the brain? Retina receives stimuli and sends to the brain. The stage of the embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is called as? It is called as fetus. The presenile degenerative disease of the brain affecting the frontal lobe is called as? It is Pick's disease. It is similar to Alzheimer's. The removal of tissue from the pleural space is known as pleural biopsy. It is a procedure to remove pleura. This is the thin tissue that lines the chest cavity and surrounds the leg. Which is the thickest layer of uterus? Myometrium is the thickest layer of uterus. Its main function is to induce uterine contractions. Which are the functional units of kidneys? Nephrons are the functional units of kidneys. It is composed of renal corpuscle and renal tubule. Friends, Crackview is providing 5 latest patent TISSNET mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website and enroll for those mocks for your better practice. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment to our channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you for encouraging us.